Welcome to the Contractor Success Map podcast. I'm your host, Bradley Hart, and I'm an expert on how you can get the most out of your contracting company. The reason I designed this show is to help you turn your contracting company from a people-dependent money pit into a process-dependent cash cow to have the freedom you dreamed of when you started your business. Every Friday, we're releasing podcasts with information to help you get the most out of your contracting company. Be sure to join us at www.contractorsuccessmap.com. and subscribe to receive our latest articles and special offers. And the best part, it's all free, just for you.
Hello there. Welcome back or welcome to our podcast. I hope your new year is going along well. This is Norhalma, delivering our 557th episode in this first Friday of the year by Sherry the Heart. You can listen to the other sessions on iTunes, Spotify, or wherever podcast content is published. They are non-sequential, so you can listen to the topics that interest you the most. Sherry's first post of the year is entitled, Becoming a Better Project Manager by Improving Communication Skills. Let's explore it. In the construction industry, communication takes many forms, including written reports, drawings, emails, and face-to-face meetings. Each form of communication has its own set of advantages and disadvantages. For example, written reports and illustrations provide a permanent record of information, but they may not be as effective in conveying complex ideas as face-to-face interactions. Understanding how construction business owners and project managers like you, if you do both, or like you are a one-person company, adapt to their environment and facilitate procedures could make your company run smoother because there is no money in workplace chaos. However, the thinking patterns and comfort zone of a well-trained staff or subcontractor are defined by the following. If it isn't broken, how can I ensure it stays that way? When it fails, I fix it, then I look for the root cause and work on that. I maintain it so that it does not deteriorate into an emergency. Everybody is my client. I work for the internal and external client. When I have to fix things, I must not have done my job right in the first place. I gain recognition from knowing things are running smoothly and predictable. My clients are important. The world revolves around them. I don't know everything, so I ask lots of questions to uncover problems and opportunities. I delegate responsibility to those who can handle it, and I guide them to success. I read instructions because somebody else learned it the hard way and wrote about it. Everything under my control is my responsibility. Therefore, I empower myself to fix it. Construction project managers loathe unpleasant surprises, so I seek to eliminate unpleasant surprises. When a severe problem arises, I work with the team to develop a plan before it gets out of control. Finally, I don't reinvent the wheel. I find who is doing things right and copy their success. Effective leaders are conditioned to avoid emergencies by being proactive and having systems to deal with emergencies. After the crisis has passed, they are ready to evaluate the emergency's root cause and implement change in the system to avoid a repeat performance. That's why excellent communication is crucial in the construction business workplace. With so many moving parts and various stakeholders involved, clear and concise communication is necessary to ensure everyone is on the same page and working towards the same goal. Poor communication can lead to costly errors, delays, and safety hazards. To become a better leader and improve communication in the construction business workplace, it is essential to establish clear lines of communication and ensure that everyone understands their roles and responsibilities. Regular meetings and check-ins can help keep everyone informed and up to date on project progress and any changes or issues. It is also important to encourage open and honest communication where team members feel comfortable sharing their concerns and ideas without fear of retribution. This can help to foster collaboration and creativity, leading to better outcomes for everyone involved. One way to improve and encourage collaboration and clear communication in your workplace is by practicing simple ways to improve it. First, always maintain control of your emotions in stressful situations. Leaders are often called upon to make difficult decisions under circumstances that are not ideal. If you can keep a cool head and calmly make decisions in a crisis, the people around you will begin to recognize you as the go-to leader when new or challenging situations arise. Second, remain focused on the conversation at hand. When you are in the middle of working on a project, it is easy to get tunnel vision that prevents you from focusing on what is happening around you. When someone engages you in conversation, always try to stay focused on what they are saying. Occasionally, repeat your understanding of what the other person just told you. Not only will this behavior make them feel you value their input enough to listen, but will also increase their respect for you as a leader or coworker. Next, pay attention to your body language. It is important to remember that your body language can be just as essential as what you say. If you are in the middle of a conversation with someone and they see you furrowing your brows or not making eye contact, they could walk away with the impression that you are disinterested or angry with them. Try to maintain a neutral expression when conversing with your staff or coworkers. Fourth, do not interrupt. People approach you when you are a leader because you have the answers. However, it can be easy to speak without a complete understanding of what is being asked and provide someone with incorrect information. Always allow the other person to finish their thought and ask their question in its entirety so you can give a thoughtful, helpful answer. Next, do not make snap judgments when speaking to someone. Occasionally, leaders are sought out when someone has made a mistake or poor business decision. If someone you are leading comes to you and admits they have done something wrong, try your best to withhold judgment. Sometimes this will require you to listen to their side of the story and reschedule a meeting later in the day or week to discuss a more productive course of action. Other times, it may be as simple as asking them for their solution and addressing it from that angle. Finally, be consistent with your feedback. Always consistently seek opportunities to offer cheerful and negative feedback when leading people. Many issues in building sites can be prevented by merely mentioning positive behavior when you see it and constructively pointing out negative behaviors as they occur in hopes of ending there. Final thoughts. If you are looking for ways to lead more effectively, communicating better is one of the most accessible and valuable skills you can learn. Effective communication will help you gain the trust and respect of individuals around you, one of the most valuable assets you can acquire. Overall, effective communication is essential for success in the construction business workplace. By establishing clear lines of communication, encouraging open and honest dialogue, and utilizing the right communication tools, construction teams can work together more efficiently and effectively to achieve their goals. As we move forward, let's focus on improving our business practices, streamlining our processes, investing in our employees, and more importantly, ourselves. We can succeed tremendously by providing our team with the necessary tools, training, and support to excel in their roles. Wishing you a prosperous and successful new year. And that ends Sherry's blog post. Do you want to discuss growing your construction business this new year? Please don't hesitate to contact Sherry. You can email her at Sherry, Sharie, Sherry at fasteasyaccounting.com, or you can call her at our toll-free number, which is a direct access to her at 1-800-361-1770, or our Washington State local phone line 206-361-3950. And if you're wondering if our promo code is still available, yes, it is. As a thank you for our wonderful blog readers and podcast subscribers and listeners like you, I am sharing this again. It's podcast 20, PODCAST 20, podcast 20. That's for a 20% discount, whether you need a bookkeeping template or would like to enroll in one of our construction accounting classes. Links to our online store and academy are in our blog. On behalf of Sherry and our team at Fast Easy Accounting, this is Norhalma. Thank you all for listening, and have a wonderful, prosperous, joyful 2024. Stay safe and healthy.
And stay tuned for upcoming episodes on how to turn your contracting company into a process-dependent cash cow. Bye for now. Thanks for tuning in. You're listening to the Contractor Success Map. If you enjoyed the show, please leave a 5-star rating and review here on iTunes, and make sure to head over to www.contractorsuccessmap.com to subscribe to receive the latest articles and special offers. If you'd like to discuss your business strategy, simply click on the button labeled Strategy Session. And the best part, it's all free, just for you.